Hello and welcome. We learn about the SQL queries commands, which are used to retrieve data from tables. We can also filter data and manipulate this data using different commands. And the basic and the main command in SQL queries or SQL data management is the select clause. The select clause is used to retrieve data from one or more tables. And we use the select command. Then we identify the attributes that we are interested in. Then we say we want to get this from which table. Let's work with the student table. And in this case, we'll be using the students database. And let's run this. And as you can see, we have our table at the bottom. That is the entire table without any changes. In this case, we have no condition for selecting. We just selected the entire thing, and let's beautify that. And that's how the command should be. However, in some cases, we might want specific entries. Let's say we are not interested in the student ID. We just want the name and the mark the student got. Then if we run this, we'll have different table. We have John Doe, who is the first student and got 75 marks. And this is applicable for all the other entries, as you can see. Then in some cases, we can change this to, we can rename this, the name to be the full name. Let's call this the full name. This is called an alias, which alias means that we want to display the table with this name as the attribute name. And let's have the mark as the average score for this student. And there we go. Let's beautify that and run it. There we go. We have the full name and the average score. That's how we add the aliases for the attributes. We use the as command, that is as command, and that's it. Let's now look at another table. And in this case, we just want to select the entire table. We're going to use the asterisk. And in this case, we have two tables. We have student sum, and let's see what student sum has. And there we go. This is the more detailed table with the same students and their marks for social sciences and their mathematics score.